In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google site. We'll walk through getting started, choosing your starting point, naming your site clearly, and building out pages and content using the tools on the right side of the editor. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized site foundation you can continue to refine. First, open a modern web browser and go to sites.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account. You'll land on the Google Sites homepage where you can see recent sites and a gallery of starting points. This is where you begin crafting your site. From here, you have two options. Click the large blank tile if you want total control over the layout and design from a clean slate, or choose a template if you prefer a head start with preset styles and sections. Templates are great for common uses like portfolios, project hubs, or event pages. You can customize any template later, so pick whichever option matches your comfort level and timeline. Once the editor opens, give your site a proper identity. In the upper area, look for the site name field. This is the internal overall name of the site that appears in the top bar and helps you recognize it later. Keep it short and meaningful. Next, set the title that appears prominently on your homepage header. This is what visitors will see first, so make it clear and descriptive. You can change either at any time, but choosing a concise, relevant title now will keep your structure tidy as you add more content. Now it's time to build. On the right-hand panel, you'll see the tools you'll use throughout. The Pages tab lets you add new pages, rename them, and reorder them. Click to create pages for the key sections you need, such as Home, About, or a Projects page, and drag pages to nest them if you want drop-downs in your navigation. Use clear page names to make the menu easy to scan. Switch to the Insert tab to add content to each page. Drag in text boxes for headings and paragraphs, add images or logos, and use pre-built layouts to align content neatly without fuss. You can also embed content like calendars or maps when it fits your purpose. As you place items, use the alignment guides to keep things consistent and keep paragraphs concise for readability. Remember, Google Sites saves changes automatically, so you can experiment freely. That's it. You've opened Google Sites, picked a blank canvas or a template, named your site and title, and populated it with pages and content using the right-hand panel. Keep refining your layout, wording, and visuals until it feels just right.